morning, or whatever time of the day it is that you're watching this video, but welcome back to my channel and welcome to another full day of eating. I feel like I haven't posted a full day of eating in like a month. And you know I gotta get up at least once a month. So here's our full day of eating for March. In my weekly reset, I did a little grocery haul. I'm not sure which video is gonna come out first, this one or that one. I don't know, but regardless, you'll see it. I did a little grocery haul. Now I'm gonna actually show you what I'm doing with the groceries and what meals I'm putting together for the week. Obviously, I'm showing you the day, but I'm gonna be eating the same meals for the entire week. I got up, put on my workout set. This one is from Reebok. It is the Victoria Beckham collaboration with Reebok, so I don't think this one is available anymore, but it's so cute. Got the little matching set. And there's just nice and comfy. Getting ready to actually go downstairs and just do cardio on the Stairmaster. Getting back on the Stairmaster. You know, I've been getting my walk in, my steps in, which I still will do, but I have my walking pad in my office. So when I'm editing and doing videos and stuff, I walk. But for the next 2 weeks, I kind of want to get back on the Stairmaster, but not my normal intervals. We're just gonna be cruising. Just walking at just a steady pace. Don't train fasted anymore. I haven't actually in a very, very long time. One, fasting is just not good if you suffer from like binge eating. And if you have hormonal problems, I don't think you should be fasting. And I know some people don't like to eat before they train. Putting something, even if you took a little tablespoon of peanut butter or, you know, had just a piece of fruit, like a quarter cup of nuts. Like, put something on your stomach. Do not train fasted. I'm gonna make a full breakfast. So let's do that. Right, here we got first meal of the day. We got our sourdough with avocado, pesto, sliced tomato, spinach, and then an over medium egg. And I got 2 slices of beef bacon. We got fat, we got carbs, and we got protein. And so this will be a nice full meal. I'm not gonna go and do cardio immediately after this. I'm gonna eat this and probably wait like an hour or so, and then I'll go downstairs and do cardio. So I will catch you guys in the... I am home from Pilates. So I ended up going down to do my cardio. Like, I ended up pushing it back because I was so tired. And I fell asleep after I ate breakfast. I think my period's coming because the fatigue is crazy. A good thing I did have like a full breakfast because, one, obviously I waited a little bit longer. Then I went downstairs, hopped on the Stairmaster for a little bit, and then went to Pilates. It was a full class, so I didn't really like set up my camera, so I didn't get like footage in the class. But I'm hungry, so first I'm gonna have just like a protein shake right now, and then I'm gonna take a shower, my skincare, all that good stuff, and then figure out what I'm gonna eat for lunch because I don't know. We're gonna go our little normal peanut butter chocolate situation. Use the rest of this the liquid egg whites. It's only a little bit, so we're just gonna select protein powder, just 1 scoop. Then we'll do a serving of PB Fit, just 2 tablespoons. Do a scoop of my cacao bliss, a little extra chocolate flavor, and all the other good stuff in there. Turmeric and MCT oil, coffee cow, glutamine, I got half a banana, frozen blueberries, frozen spinach. Now just gotta squeeze the greens in here we can, and some unsweetened almond milk. And that's the shake, little chocolatey thing. Okay. So I'm having a shake. And then, oh, I just got a package in from Lisi. They got a new loungewear collection that's dropping. It'll be out already by the time this video goes live. And I'm gonna shoot a video for it. So you got like these little biker shorts here. They got a little pocket on the side, and they got a little Lisi band at the top. And then I got this like little razorback style top. It's open down here at the bottom. I got the leggings in black. Ooh. And these are just a full length legging, and the same thing, little pocket on the side. But this one, I got a different style bra, which is like this little cute little spaghetti strap. Yeah, so I'll show you guys this after I take a shower, but I'm gonna have this and then I'll be back to show you what we're gonna have for lunch. Right, it is time for lunch, and I literally just use half the ingredients that I use for breakfast. So the same sourdough sliced bread, and then tuna. I like mine with low-fat mayo, sweet relish, honey mustard, and then pickled onions. I put on some avocado, and then I'm on like a pesto kick right now. So then I put a little pesto on as well. We just toasted that up. And then I got me like a little fruit bowl going on here with some cucumbers, and then just my mixed fruit. And then I put on some lemon juice and some, just a little bit of tahini. Super quick and easy. Don't really need to do any type of cooking with this. The only thing I'm missing is I ran out of dairy-free cheese. So if you got some cheese, pop some cheese on this too. Really a tuna melt. I'm gonna eat this and then start editing this video. And then I'll see you guys back for dinner. Right, this is the last meal of the day. We got our chicken teriyaki with jasmine rice and carrots and broccoli. Now, I don't add salt to this or the sauce or even to my chicken because one, the soy sauce and all of that, like there's already a lot of sodium and all the other things that I put inside. So I usually wait until it's done and taste it and then see if I need to add a little bit of salt. So you can do it however you want to. You can still salt and season your chicken. You can still salt and season your chicken, but I would just add a little bit. Also, the soy sauce I am using is low sodium. If you want even less sodium than that, then you can use like the aminos, coconut aminos. You can use those as well. Oh, I need green onions. All right, topped it off with some green onions, and you can pop on some sesame seeds and stuff as well if you want to. And then I'm gonna have this with a Diet Dr. Pepper. You know, we love diet soda around here. Okay, and yeah, this is what I'm gonna have. Let's taste it though. See if anything's missing. Okay, I'll be back. Lighting, it's just so bad. All right, it is in the night, it's late. Me and babe are about to binge watch some more of The Last of Us because we were behind. I think we got like 2 more episodes left, but I am going to have some of the Drizzlicious. Oh, can you see it? Yeah, little cinnamon bites, cinnamon swirl bites, little mini rice cakes. So good. Little tiny, let me see, where's the lighting? Where is the lighting? These little, got the little frosting on it. They're so good. So I'm gonna have a few of these and then watch the show, drink some water, and then we're going to bed. I will be giving you guys probably another physique update and stuff in probably like a month, and then we'll see where we're at. I will see you guys in the next video. Good night.